I'm Jo with Good Sports, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about Cloudflow by On. This is a lightweight, neutral running shoe. It is perfect for shorter, faster runs. On uses a technology called CloudTec. As you can see, there are 18 individual rubber pods at the bottom of the shoe. They compress with impact as you're running on the ground. The open construction of the pods are eye-catching, but it also keeps the shoe very light in weight. On also uses their own patented Speedboard. The Speedboard acts as a spring in the foot, continuing to just propel you forward with each stride that you're taking. The mesh upper comes with a microbial treatment, so you have the option of wearing the shoe with socks or without socks. The Cloudflow women's size 7 weighs about 6.5 ounces, which is about a third less than the A6 Gel Nimbus. That one weighs about 9.3 ounces. The heel to toe drop in the flow is 6 millimeters, which is almost half of what it is in the A6 Gel Nimbus. Theirs is 10 millimeters. The Cloudflow is available in 6 colors for both men and women. So, reviews online said that if you're wearing a Nike Flyknit or an A6, you might want to size down about a half a size. The overall pros of the Cloudflow is it's a super comfortable shoe right out of the box. You're going to get a very lightweight, really quality construction in this responsive shoe. The cons of the shoe, the traction could be made a little bit better. The grip isn't that good at the very bottom of the sole, so you have to be careful on different surfaces. Sometimes the paws will collect debris, so you need to make sure you're cleaning that out and paying attention to that. And the laces, a lot of online reviews say that the laces have been long, soft, and thin, so they come untied easily. Overall, this is an excellent shoe. The pros outweigh the cons. If you're looking for something lightweight that's gonna put some pep into your step, this is a shoe for you.